let's take a look at the Python 3 range command. It does a couple interesting things for us. The first thing we'll talk about is just the format of it. It's range, the number where you want to start, the number where you want to stop, and the steps you want to take. So you can take steps of 2, 4, 6, 8, or odd numbers 3, 6, 3, 5, 7, whatever. You can use it to fill a list. So if you need a list that goes from 0 to 1,000, you don't have to type in all those numbers. And you can also use it to control for loops, which you may have already seen. An example of filling a list is to say range from 0 to 999,999 by 3s. And so let's do that. Let's jump into the example. So we say x equals list range 0 to 8. And so this is going to fill this list x with 0 to 7, and then we'll print that out. And let's run it. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. Run. And you can see it did that. So this is from 0 to 7. So that's what we did right here. The next thing is we say x equals list range 0, 8, 3. So we're going to fill the list with 0, 3, and 6. And we run it, and sure enough, 0, 3, 6. So this is very useful especially if you're lazy like me and you don't want to type in all this stuff. And then the last thing is one of the most common is to set up a loop and set the range of a loop. And in this case, I just said for x in range 0, 8, 2. And so what this is going to do, it's going to start at 0 and it's going to go by 2s until 8, and then it will stop. And of course, it will stop before it gets to 8 because that's what Python does. We print this, and okay, so we've already run it, and we see over here 0, 2, 4, 6, and then before it reaches 8, it stops. And that's it for range. Okay, I hope you found that useful and interesting in your Python programming.